Well, that was certainly a lot of charts. It may have even been repetitive at some times, but those are the realities of real-life charts. After so many examples, certain commonalities begin to emerge with general price action and specific candle patterns, regardless of the particular chart, market, time frame, or time period being analyzed. Once certain themes with price action begin to emerge again and again, in multiple contexts, it is possible to more efficiently recognize when the market is more likely to form reversals, stalls, or continuations. So for some more practice, you can take screenshots of your own analysis and describe what's happening on the chart with a few sentences, and feel free to share it. I hope you make progress with your charting, and thank you for watching.